Hi there, little artists. Welcome back to our fun coloring time. Today, we're going to color a cute chicken. Are you ready? Let's get started. Here's our adorable chicken. Chickens are so fun to color. Did you know that hens talk or cluck to their chicks whilst they are still in their eggs? As the chicks grow older and develop within the eggs, they also begin to peep and squeak back to their mom. Do you have your crayons ready? Great! Let's begin! First, let's color the chicken's head, wings, and tail. I'm using a maca, and if you don't have maca, you can use light brown crayon for this part. Color carefully, just like this. Next, let's color the chicken's body. I'm using a yellow crayon for this part. Color in the body carefully, just like this. Wonderful! Remember, it's okay if you go outside the lines a little. You're doing fantastic! Next, let's color the chicken's comb and wattle. I'm using a red crayon for this part. Color in the comb and wattle carefully. Now, let's color the chicken's beak and feet. I'm using an orange crayon. Color in the beak and feet carefully, just like this. Beautiful! The orange makes the chicken look so bright and lively. Fantastic! Your chicken looks amazing. You did an amazing job. Woo! Lastly, let's color the word chicken. I am using yellow crayon. Thank you for coloring with me today. Your chicken looks so cute and colorful. Don't forget to show your beautiful artwork to your family and friends. Keep practicing and keep having fun with your colors. See you next time, little artists. Bye-bye.